Hello guys, I am Michele. No, I don't care. So, have you looked all around the web to find some information about BLE applications with Arduino and Flutter, but you didn't find any explanation for how to use them? Or maybe you found some example, but you didn't find quite. Have you tried to connect temperature and humidity module, but you didn't find a way? So don't worry, I succeed in that task. And I will share with you my accomplishment. And yes, you have Arduino BLE library, and also you got the Flutter Blue library from Flutter. Yes, So now we will see how to do that. I will explain to you, and don't worry, I will leave the code somewhere. I don't know, maybe on GitHub. Don't worry, I will figure out. Now I didn't do anything, and yes, yeah. So hello back guys, we are in the Arduino IDE, and I will explain you very briefly the code. As you can see, it's very simple. There is not so much going on. You just specify the DHT pin, the THT type. You include the libraries, of course. Otherwise it won't work, and make sure to import the Arduino BLE library, this one I'm selecting. Then you specify the service, you can call it whatever you want. In my case it's temp hum, and then we add the characteristics. Sorry, I'm bad with English. So we specify the temp char and the humidity char characteristics. And you can call this whatever you want, as well this one. And then we initialize the DHT module. Then we go to the setup, and here you just have to set the local name for your device, of course. And we go then to advertise the service. And then we add the characteristics to the service, and then finally we add the service. I don't know if this is the correct order, but whatever, it works. So yeah, no problem. Okay. Then we start advertising, and finally in the loop we just measure the temperature and humidity, of course. And then you write the value to the BLE characteristics in this part. So we will move on the Flutter part in a short, maybe next week in the real time. Okay guys, now we are in the Android Studio, and I will show you the code, not all of it, because it's very long and I don't understand it pretty much. I will just explain to you what I changed in order to let it work. Of course, I found all this part, it was already made, I didn't do anything. I just copied it and pasted, and after 2 weeks I figured out what I had to change. This was the problem. When I first tried to send the data from the Arduino to my application, Flutter application, it was received, but not in a way that was understandable. I don't know if this word exists, but I had just like a string of numbers that didn't mean really anything. And after a while I understood that it was like unit 8, I don't know, to be honest, and that I had to translate that format to a float that we want, so like a temperature or humidity 23.9, whatever it is. And this part was made here. We added, we received the byte list, and we translate it into uint8. Please, I don't understand this, but it works, so if you understand, maybe you can explain me in the comment. And then we translate it into a float list, and then we just print the result. That's it. I will show you how the application works, and hopefully you will be happy. So, as you can see, this is the Flutter application. It's very simple, there is not so much going on, and in the bottom right you can find for devices with BLE, of course, and there you have it, the DHT22. So we connect to it, we refresh, and then just a moment, we can show the service, which in our case has two characteristics. For the temperature we have 22.7 and for humidity 85.6. And yes, that's it. It's very basic, but it works, so it's okay. Okay guys, so that's it for today. If you liked the video or you enjoyed the content, please subscribe, just show some support. I'm trying to grow, so I would really appreciate it. And that's it for today, and yes, see you next video, I don't know, maybe next live, whatever, bye.